ITF Kabaddi district level and state level. We are elated to announce that Master N. Charan from grade 9 headed to nationals in Kabaddi under 14, whereas Master Ali Abbas of 10th grade made it to national level in cricket under 16. This year 25-26 our institution has launched 4 dynamic clubs like Communication Crusaders Club, Swachh Bharat Club, Disciplinary Minds Club and Eco-Friendly Clubs. These clubs roll out diverse array of activities meticulously crafted to refine skills and broaden perspectives. Life Skills Initiatives hosted a week-long inter-house competitions featuring powerful and impactful skill to enhance student abilities. A key initiative this year was a traffic awareness drive. It reached out 200 students, equipped them with vital information on traffic rules and safety measures to curb accidents. We impart training in coding classes for class 3rd to 9, enabling students to create mobile apps, web designs and animations, which helps to develop students' logical thinking, creativity and problem solving skills. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Now, our school head boy, Master P. Yashwant, and school head girl, Miss K. V. Kavisudha, will present a report on our school academic calendar events. Now it's over to head boy and head girl.
For medical radiology, imaging and recipient of Swami Vivekananda Vishishta Puraskar in 2011. He also received Padma Shri Professor Kakarla Subbarao Lifetime Achievement Award in 2025. Delivered many guest lectures in 2025, where Sri Triveni School won the respected title. She received 6 states award.
Dr. V. Sarala garu, we have great honor in inviting you, madam. We feel proud with your presence because madam is currently technology director in RCI, a very responsible job, and she is scientist G grade. I believe it is topmost, almost close to, because in RCI I believe the ranks start from grade A to then madam is in G now currently. With all our experience and this, we really very much happy to have your presence today, madam. It gives lot of inspiration and also motivation. We also would like to enhance the technical skills of our students wherever possible. That is the reason why we introduced coding at a very early stage when students are in grade 3. So 3 to 9 they are writing coding now currently. Some of the students have become very successful coders. I would like to thank all our faculty and also the teachers. Together need to work hard, then only the child excels. So that is the basic philosophy we strongly believe in. And another thing, we have all necessary infrastructure what the big institutions or the so-called international schools provide. And with this, definitely our students are able to make all possibilities. You have seen students, they scored top marks in SSC public examinations.
Of Sri Triveni schools, and my wishes to all of you. And in this regard, as a student institute, there is not much scope for me to speak. Before saying a few words, I would like to congratulate all the students who have performed here. I could see the coordination, commitment, grouping, hard work, every dedication I could see in their dance performances. The national coordination dance and the classical composition. Students groom the students, train the students and achieve the destination. And in this regard, I would like to express my sincere congratulations, thanks, all means to the management of the Sri Triveni schools, the teachers, the staff, the parents, and finally the students of the Sri Triveni school. Before saying a few words, I could see a very big gathering over here. It's look like it's a complete coordination among all walks of life. And in this scenario, a few words we need to remember are, the number one is the value. So when you all are here, you all kindly remember yourself. You need to have value for our culture, our country, and our motivation also. Values are very important. India is the country which is known for values. So as a combination now we are not many countries. We are now in a global village. So in this global village, India is now competing with every other nation. So in that competition, we need to be in the forefront. To be in the forefront, we need to know about what all are the values the Indian culture is teaching us, and also what are the education impacts which have been given by the other nations, so-called developed nations, together. We need to have an amalgamation of both the values and the latest in the technology. Then only we will be in the forefront. We will be leading to the world. And once again, with as a thought of being a Vishwaguru, we will be proceeding towards. So we need to have a value education along with the latest trends. In addition to this, so-called the competition as of today, we need to have a relaxation. To have a relaxation, we need to get educated in the extracurricular activities, mainly the music. Music is the one which is the classical music or the light music or western music, whatever you may quote. The music is the one which gives you solace when you are in hard-pressed conditions. And to have a competitive spirit, and in order to meet to the challenges and to live to the standards, the sports is the one which gives you the commitment. So sportive spirit you need to have. So in order to excel in every walk of life, you need to have a value education, the extracurricular activities, to have a relaxation, and also sportive spirit to move forward in the country. For all these things, school is the best medium. And as a child, any child spends, or a student spends nearly 50% of their time in the school and remaining 50% of the time at their homes. So the teacher is equally considered, respected like parents. So they have equal responsibility too. So parents and teachers are taking the equal responsibility in nurturing the students. So a student without nurturing is like a wild forest. The teacher who is nurtured by a respective teacher or the parents is like a gardener maintained garden. We would like to see everyone as a beautiful garden with lots of flowers and lots of medicinal plants, lots of teams, lots of nature supported, nature rendered things.
ఈరోజు శ్రీ త్రివేణి స్కూల్ చంపాపేట్ క్యాంపస్లో 38వ వార్షికోత్సవం జరుగుతున్నది. చాలా గ్రాండ్గా, అంటే మా స్కూల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి దాదాపు 800 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈ కల్చరల్స్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ ఏ ఇయర్ ఫర్ అస్. సో ఈరోజు ముఖ్యంగా ఏంటంటే శ్రీ త్రివేణి స్కూల్ అకాడమిక్స్తో పాటు కో కరిక్యులర్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా కరిక్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్కి ఈక్వల్ ఎంఫసిస్ ఇస్తుంది. అందుకే స్టూడెంట్స్ అన్ని రంగాల్లో రాణిస్తున్నారు. మా విద్యార్థులు అకాడమిక్ సైడ్ చూస్తే లైక్ 10th క్లాస్లో టాప్ రిజల్ట్స్ తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. అలాగే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లైక్ ఐఐటి, జేఈ, నీట్, ఒలింపియాడ్స్లో కూడా వాళ్ళు అత్యధిక స్థానాలని సాధిస్తున్నారు ప్రతి సంవత్సరం. అందుకు మేము నిజంగా గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాము. స్పోర్ట్స్లో చూస్తే ఎస్జేఎఫ్ గేమ్స్లోనైతే అన్ని అంటే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్, స్టేట్ లెవెల్కి సెలెక్ట్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. ముఖ్యంగా నేషనల్ లెవెల్స్లో కబడ్డీ, వాలీబాల్, క్రికెట్లో మా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈ సంవత్సరం 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యారు. సో ఇదంతా కూడా ఏంటంటే మా టీచర్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్లో అన్ని ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ ఉన్నాయి మా దగ్గర. ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్, స్పోర్ట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ లైక్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ స్కిల్స్, అలాగే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సెక్టర్లో కూడా వస్తున్న మార్పులకు అనుగుణంగా అన్ని రకాల ట్రైనింగ్స్ వాళ్ళకి మేము ఇప్పిస్తున్నాము. అందుకే ఏంటంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఏదైనా కూడా చేయగలుగుతున్నారు. ఇదంతా కూడా ఏంటంటే మా పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా మాకు ఎంతో సహకరిస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళు దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ సపోర్ట్. మేము ఎంచుకున్న ఏ మార్గానైనా కూడా వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే తప్పనిసరిగా మమ్మల్ని నమ్మి వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అందుకే ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందనే భావన మాకుంది. సో ఈ విజయోత్సవం ఇలాగే కొనసాగుతుందని తెలియడానికి నేను చాలా ఆనందపడుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఫాలో చేయొచ్చు కదా అండి ప్లీజ్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీరు వీడియో చూస్తున్నారు కానీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం లేదు. మా టార్గెట్ 10,000. దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మాకు సపోర్ట్ చేయండి.